Breaking news coming in, shooter's husband Ranjit, also known as Rakibul Hassan, is sent to 14-day custody. Rakibul Hassan and his mother have been sent to custody for 14 days. They are in judicial custody at the moment. This, of course, in relation to the Tara Sahdev's controversial case in which she has alleged that Rakibul had cheated her. And as of now, the information coming in that his mother and Rakibul Hassan and his mother in judicial custody for 14 days as of now. Prakash now joining us for more on that. Prakash, what details can you share with us at this point in time?
Well, the local court, the CJM court, has granted 14 days of judicial custody of Ranjit Singh Kohli alias Rakibul Hassan and his mother to the police. In the meantime, the police would be investigating. The police senior SP of Ranchi has also went on to say that a narco test would be done. Ranjit Singh Kohli and his mother were arrested in Delhi day before yesterday in a joint operation by the Jharkhand and the Delhi police. They were brought in to Ranchi yesterday, and now today they were produced in a local court where 14 days judicial custody was granted to the Ranchi police for further investigation and interrogation as on the charges labelled by Tara Sahdev, the suitor, as after 1 month of marriage, she was being mentally harassed, tortured, and physically abused. That's what she leveled the charges, and also she was being forced to convert to Islam. The police has, as far as the documents recovered from Ranjit Singh Kohli and Rakibul Hassan and his mother, the police say that all the evidence, documents that were recovered suggest that his name is Ranjit Singh Kohli in the passport as well as driving license and official address. So they are verifying the fact as to how he was inclined towards Islam or not. So the police will also try to conduct a narco test of Ranjit Singh Kohli and his mother, and the treatment meted out to Tara Sahdev would be investigated thereupon.
Right. Also, Rakibul Hassan is facing some very serious charges, including that of abuse and forceful conversion into another religion. Where are the investigations really headed in this case as of now?
Well, as far as the investigation is concerned, the police is trying to verify all the documents, including passports that has been recovered, the bank accounts, the official address, as well as they are talking to various people in the locality where Ranjit Singh Kohli used to stay. As of now, the police has not been able to reach to a conclusive evidence as to he had converted to Islam or not, but they are saying that he had an inclination towards Islam, but the charges leveled by Tara Sahdev, she says that she was being forced to convert to Islam. So that is the angle where police is looking into, as well as the physical abuse, mental torture, harassment. All those things are being taken cognizance by the police, and the police also says that he had connections with certain sections of the bureaucracy as well as various powerful people. So that angle is also being looked upon by the investigative agency, and for that, the police say that if they do not reach to any conclusive evidence regarding all this, then a narco test would be conducted for sure.
All right, Prakash, thanks very much for getting us those details. Of course, Prakash telling us about the latest in the Rakibul Hassan case. Both Rakibul Hassan and his mother have been sent to judicial custody. This, of course, in relation to a case lodged by one Tara Sahdev. Of course, she has gone on to say that she has been abused by Ranjit, also known as Rakibul Hassan. She has said that she was abused by her husband, who also lied to her about his religion and in fact tried to convert her also from Hinduism to Islam. Right, Ranjit Hassan and his mother sent to 14-day judicial custody. Of course, in a complaint to police, Tara Sahdev, a national level gold medalist, rifle shooting champion, said she got married in July early this year to a person named Ranjit Kohli and later found out that his real name was Rakibul Hassan. She also alleged that Hassan and 20 other people forced her to change her religion. When she refused, she was allegedly beaten up. Sadio alleged that she was threatened with dire consequences if she told anything about the conversion. The latest coming in, Raqib Al Hassan and his mother sent to judicial custody for 14 days. Tara Sadio also saying that she was under close vigil, but when Hassan went to Delhi, she sent a message to her family members, sent out a distress call and was then rescued. The police have sealed 3 houses where Raqib Al Hassan was still staying on rent and seized 7 of his vehicles. The latest in this case, both mother-son duo in judicial custody.
एक्यूज को पेश किया गया है क्या?
हाँ, कोर्ट में पेश किया गया है। कोर्ट से उनको जेल भेजा गया है जुडिशियल कस्टडी में।
सर कितने दिन के लिए होती है?
14 दिन के लिए होती है।
बीच में रिमांड ले सकते हैं?
बीच में फिर रिमांड।
क्या रिमांड मांगा गया था आपसे? आगे इनको रिमांड मिलेगा?
हम लोग रिमांड करेंगे।